So, while I'm busy enjoying my coffee, I realized that my bike needs to go for its first 1000k service. Like, I can't even believe it that I've already done 1000k's on the 400X. But yeah, quick and easy. You guys can follow along right here on the screen. So you go to triumphmotorcycles.co.za, you click on service, quick and easy. You go down there and you select your dealer, Joburg, Centurion or Cape Town. My closest one is Joburg, so I'll select Joburg. Then you go down, read all that stuff, and you say, okay, cool, book a service. Then you will put in your VIN details, which I've conveniently saved here. Then you paste in your VIN number. Why using your VIN number is just to make sure that you're booking the service for the correct bike. So Triumph knows exactly what parts and everything needed for that bike. So there we go. Mine says Scrambler 400X. Cool, it's the correct bike. So next, there we go. So then what you need to put in your current mileage. So mine is currently on 1024. And I want to book my 1000k service, so that would be the first one. So then you go all the way down. If you need to leave any additional comments of anything else that you want them to check or anything, you can go there. Then you need to select the date that you want it to be done. So let's say I'm going to select the 30th, and then preferred drop-off time and transportation required. So I'm going to make it 9:30. Select, cool. Do you want a courtesy bike or do you have a pickup or delivery required? Now the cool thing is, if you're based in Gauteng, you can actually have Triumph pick up the bike from you and then have it delivered after the service has been done. So then I'm just going to select none from there. Now if you just put in your details, stick here button. Cool. Select all the details in there, putting in your email address so they can send you the confirmation and everything like that. Put in your number, your bike's registration that I also have conveniently saved here. Just put in my bike's, there we go, registration. And then would you like us to value Triumph? No, I don't want to trade it in at this point in time. And then go down, next. Here we go, cool. Then you confirm all your details are correct, everything is there. You go at the bottom, would you like to receive emails? Yes, I want to see what happens in Triumph's world. I've understood the privacy and the policies and everything, and then you go book now. Easy as that. But let me now take you guys behind the scenes at the workshop to see what happens when you do book your bike in for a service at Triumph. No, thank you very much. And I'm excited now the bike's ready. I think before we do another big trip, I might just make sure that everything is fine and dandy, bring it in here to check it. But now the bike's ready. I'm super excited to go take it out for a ride now. So yeah, awesome.
100%. Enjoy.